Alright, let's go ahead and see what is the reinforcement learning. So as I told you earlier that the reinforcement learning is kind of the unsupervised learning, but it is exactly not the unsupervised learning. So in reinforcement learning, your algorithm try to learn from its mistake. So the moreover a simple algorithm is deployed in your system and then it is given a task. And whenever it makes a right prediction, then a reward is given to your algorithm. But when it makes a wrong decision, then the penalty is given to your algorithm. So you can think of that as the AI agent or artificial intelligence agent. This is algorithm, and you are trying to train an automatic car or the car which drives itself. So you start driving a car. When it changes the lane where it is not supposed to do, then it passes the algorithm that you have made the wrong decision. Then it penalizes your model. But if it makes the right decision, I mean to say that if it does not change the lane, then it says that you are good to go, then it reward your algorithm. So it works in such a way that whenever your model makes mistake, a penalty is given to your model. Whenever it makes a right decision, then reward is given. So it will learn in that process how to make a good decision based on these rewards there. So these are the summaries. You can say that it learns through the trial and the error. It interacts with the environment, receives the rewards or the penalties based on its prediction. If it makes right prediction, it earns their reward. If it makes a wrong prediction, it is given there the penalty. So the goal of these kind of the machine learning algorithm to maximize the maximum number of the rewards as well as reduce the number of the penalties. So the examples of these type of the reinforcement learning could be like autonomous vehicles, or you can say that the real-time game playing or the robotics. All these things can be the part of the reinforcement learning. Alright, I'll see you next lesson.